Hello everyone, I welcome you all to yet another discussion session of the CAT 2023, and in today's class we will be taking up the slot 3 of CAT 2023 paper. So let's get started with the question. Let's look at this. A rectangle with the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle of radius 2 centimeter. So let's just try to show the representation here. So this is semicircle here, and in this we have, suppose, this rectangle. Center is here. The radius is 2 centimeters, so this overall is 2 centimeters. Then the ratio of the lengths of the largest to the smallest side of the rectangle is, so basically length to breadth of the rectangle is. So here in the diagram this appears to be the length and this appears to be the breadth. So let us assume this part here, O to A is A units. So this O to B will also be A units. So overall the length, suppose this is the length, is 2A. B to C is B units. C to D will also be 2A and this will also be B units. Okay. So thus what will be the area? So not the area, sorry, ratio of the length of the, so what will be my answer here? Let us think about that. So the answer will be ratio of the longest side, the largest side, to the smallest side. So 2A, suppose, is the length, by B will be how much is the question. So we need to somehow find out relation between A and B out here so that we can get to the answer. Now there is one more hint given here. He says largest possible area. So what will be area of this particular rectangle? Area of this rectangle will be equal to length into breadth, 2A into B. That is the area of the rectangle. We want this to be highest possible. So radius is given to be 2. So that means if I connect O to D, can I say this will be 2? And if that is so, can I say in this right angle triangle OAD, can we say sum of the squares of the perpendicular sides will be equal to 2 square, which is 4. A square plus B square will be equal to 4 is what we may say. Now observe, if A square plus B square is 4, apply arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean on A square and B square. So what will it give us? Arithmetic mean of A square and B square will be greater than or equal to geometric mean A square and B square. So A square plus B square is 4. So that means 4 by 2 is 2. This will be greater than or equal to A into B, right. So here area, that is 2AB, let us multiply by 2 on both sides. So this will become 4. So the maximum area that we can have will be 4. And when is the area going to be maximum? So when is this A into B going to be 2? When the numbers are equal. So that means this, we know this, right, AM is greater than or equal to GM, and AM will become equal to GM only when the terms are equal. So when A square is equal to B square, then AM will be equal to GM. So the condition for maximum area, will be A equal to B. So if A is equal to B, then the area will be maximum. So if A is equal to B, what is my answer? So this will be nothing but this will cancel out, it will be 2:1. So the longest side to the smallest side, shortest side will be 2:1 out here. That should be the answer.